Hi students, I am K. Anil Kumar, lecturer in Mathematics, Space, Junior College, Kumarwandapalli, Kadiri. In previous classes, already discussed about circles, introduction of the circles and circular equations and circular definitions. So now, today we will discuss about circle passes through 3 points. Okay, first of all, how to define in circle passes through 3 points. See the diagram. Circle passes through 3 points. Now if I draw the circle, if the point on A of x1, y1 and B of x2, y2 and C of x3, y3. These 3 points using how to find out the equation of the circle. Okay. We defining the procedure how to defining the circle passes through 3 points, how to find out the equation of the circle. See the procedure. Let us take what is the take points on A of x1, y1 and B of x2, y2 and C of x3, y3 on 3 points. So by using the points, what is the points on here? A of x1, y1 and B of x2, y2 and C of x3, y3. These 3 points by using. So here the main concept, by using the general equation of the circle. So by using the general equation of the circle to find out the equation of the circle. So what is the general equation of the circle here? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. So is equals to 0. For suppose let equation 1. So this is the general equation of the circle. So after using the general equation, so now these 3 points, what is the given 3 points? A, B, C. These 3 points sub in general equation. That means, that is, for suppose the point on A, substitute the general equation, we get the line of L1. Same manner that the point on B, substitute the general equation, we get the line 2. At the same point C, substitute the general equation, line 3. So these after we getting the 3 lines, that means L1, L2, L3. So we getting the line of L1 and L2, L3. We solving the equations of L1, L2, L3. We solving the L1 line of L1, line L2, line L3. We getting the values of G, F, C. We getting the values of G, F, C. So these G, F, C values sub in general equation of the circle. Where what is the general equation of the circle, ma? So the general equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. That is the general equation. That the general equation to substitute the values of where the substitute values of G, F, C. Then the values of G, F, C values substitute in general equation. So that is the required equation of the circle. That means the circle passes through 3 points to find out the equation of the circle. Once again repeated, ma. So by using the 3 points, that the 3 points, that means A, B, C. For suppose x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. These 3 points, by using the general equation, that the general equation is, what is the general equation, ma? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. Then the general equation substitute the 3 points. We getting the 3 lines. That 3 lines solving, we getting the values of G, F, C. Then the G, F, C values substitute in the again general equation. That is the required equation of the circle. That means circle passes through the 3 points. Okay. For example, we given the 3 points, that means A of 1, 1 and B of 2, minus 1 and C of 3, 2. To find out the equation of the circle. So, given the points, what is the given points on A, B, C. These 3 points using to find out the equation of the circle. So, what is the solution? So, see the procedure. So, what is the first step? Let us the given points. What is the given points here? A of 1, 1 and B of 2, minus 1 and C of 3, 2. These 3 points, that means A of 1, 1, B of 2, minus 1, 3 of 2. So these 3 points, what is the next step? By using general equation of the circle. What is the general equation of the circle here? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. That is the general equation of the circle. So what is the next step, ma? So that is the general equation So the 3 points substituting the above the general equation. So what is the first point here? Let a of 1 comma 1 sub in where general equation, that is the general equation is 1. So that the general equation, what is the point in here? X1 y1. So x place replacing the 1 square plus 1 square plus 2g. X, what is the value of x here? 1. 1 plus 2f into what is the value of y? 1 plus c is equals to 0. 1 square means 1 plus 1. 2g into 1, 2g plus 2f into 1, 2f plus c is equals to 0. So what is the 1 plus 1? 2g plus 2f plus c plus 2 is equals to 0. This is the line of 1. So similarly, what is the similarly point on B here? 2 comma minus 1. 2 comma minus 1 sub in general equation. So what is the value of here? X is 2, y is minus 1. Therefore substitute the values of 2 comma minus 1 and rearranging the equation. So 2 square plus minus 1 whole square plus 2g plus 2 plus 2f into minus 1 plus c is equals to 0. What is the value of 2 square means? 4 plus minus 1 square means 1. 2 2 is 4g plus into minus 2f into 1 minus 2f plus c is equals to 0. So rearranging the equation, 4g minus 2f plus c plus 5 is equals to 0. This is the line of 2. Similarly, what is the point on C? 3 comma 2 sub in general equation. So what is the value of here? X value is 3, y value is 2. Substitute the general equation in x and y in the replacing. So what is the value of x here? 3. That means 3 square plus 2 square plus 2g into what is the value of x here? 3 plus 2f into what is the value of y here? 2 plus c is equals to 0. 3 square means 9 plus 2 square means 4 plus 2 3 is 6g. 2 2 is 4f plus c is equals to 0. Therefore, the rearranging, getting the equation, what is the line? 6g plus 4f plus c. 9 plus 4, 13. That is equals to 0. That is the equation 3. That means line 3. Okay. After we getting the, what is the next step? After we getting the lines of L1, L2, L3 and we solving the line of L1, L2, L3, we getting the values of G, F, C. So, first of all, we solving 1, 1 and 2. So, what is the equation of 1? 2g plus 2f plus c plus 2 is equals to 0. What is the equation of 2? 4g minus 2f plus c plus 5 is equals to 0. So this equation here, what is the cancellation term? So we getting the addition of the 1 and 2. So we getting the values. So 2 plus 4, that means 6g plus 2f minus 2f is 0. c plus c, 2c. 2 plus 5, 7. So what is the equation? 6g plus 2f, 2c plus 7 is equals to 0. So therefore this is the line of 4. Same mannerly, solving 2 and 3. So what is the equation of 2? 4g minus 2f plus c plus 5 is equals to 0. And 6g plus 4f plus c plus 13 is equals to 0. So some here multiply with the equation 2 because of here the plus 4f is there, here minus 2f. So here where the multiply with term, that means 2. 2 2s are 4, therefore minus 4f plus 4f is cancellation. So here by using the equation 2 multiply with 2. So 2 4s are 8g, 2 2s are 4f plus 2 into c, 2c plus 2 5s are 10 is equals to 0. So same equation, that is 6g plus 4f plus c plus 13 is equals to 0. So 8g plus 6g means 14g plus 4f minus 4f is cancelled. 2c plus c is equals to 3c. 10 plus 13 is equals to 23. So what is the rearrangement of the equation is 14g plus 3c plus 23 is equals to 0. This is the line of 5. Next, so here the one of the eliminated term, what is the elimination here? F is eliminating. So some more F, G or C we eliminating to find out the one term. That means here the eliminating of C. So we getting the values of G. So here the eliminating of C. So next step is solving 4 and 5. So here equation 4, what is here? 6c plus 2c plus 7. Here the 2c, here 3c. So therefore equation 4 multiply with 3. Equation 5 multiply with 2. So here by using the concept, so here the any one of the term is eliminating. So here the cancellation by using the multiply with the above equations 3 and 2. So equation 4 multiply with 3. So what is the required equation? Equation 4 is 6g plus 2c plus 7 is equals to 0. Here the multiply with 3. 3 6 are 18g, 3 2s are 60 plus 3 7s are 21 is equals to 0. So next, what is the equation of the 5 here? 14g plus 3c plus 23 is equals to 0. So here the 3c is there. So here 6c comes to this equation multiply with 2. So 14 2s are 28 plus 2 3s are 6c, 23 2s are 46 is equals to 0. Here the rearranging the equation here 1 4 minus 5 because of here the both are positive terms is there. So here the subtraction of the equation 4 and 5. So here positive term this goes to negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. So 18 minus 28 that means minus, that means here the highest term of is negative is there. So lowest term is the positive. So 28 minus 18 that means minus 10c plus 6c minus 6 is cancelled. Plus 21 minus 46 is minus 25 is equals to 0. Therefore 10z is equals to that side goes to minus 25. Therefore 10 5 2s are 5 5s are, therefore g is equals to minus 5 by 2. We find out the values of g. So here to find out the values of g. So we getting the values of f and c. Okay. Here getting the values of g. So therefore g is the, what is the value? Find out the values of g is minus 5 by 2. So this 5 by 2 value. So substitute the any equation, that means 4 and 5 we get the values of c. Therefore g is equals to minus 5 by 2. Sub in where 6j plus 2c plus 7 is equals to 0. So 6 into what is the value of g here? Minus 5 by 2 plus 2c plus 7 is equals to 0. 2 1s are 2 3s are. Therefore my plus into minus, minus 3 5s are 15 plus 2c plus 7 is equals to 0. Minus 15 plus 7, what is the value is? Minus 8. This is minus 8 is minus is negative. That side goes to positive. Therefore 2c is equals to 8. 2 1s are 2 4s are. Therefore the value of c is 4. So we getting the values of g comma c. So we find out the values of g comma c. Therefore g comma c values in the substitute the equation 1 and 2 and 3. So we getting the values of f. Therefore g comma c value sub in equation 3. That is what is the equation? 6z plus 4f plus c plus 13 is equals to 0. 6. What is the value of g here? Minus 5 by 2 plus 4f plus what is the value of c here? 4. So plus 13 is equals to 0. 2 1s are 2 3s are. Plus into minus, minus 3 5s are 15 plus 4f. 4 plus 13 is 17 is equals to 0. Minus 15 plus 17, what is the value here? Plus 2. Therefore 4f is equals to this side positive, that side goes to negative. Therefore 4f is equals to minus 2. Therefore 2 1s are 2 2s are. Therefore f is equals to minus 1 by 2. So therefore what is the theme of the procedure of this equation of the circle? So we getting the three lines. That three lines solving. That means L1, L2, L3. We solving the L1, L2, L3. What is we getting the values? G comma f comma c. So what is the values we are getting? G comma f comma c. So these G comma f comma c values sub in where substitute this G comma f comma c values ma? So general equation. So what is the general equation? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. This equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. Here g comma f comma c value substitute in the general equation. Therefore x square plus y square plus 2 into what is the value of g here? Find out what is the value of g ma? Minus 5 by 2 x plus 2 into f into what is the value of here? Minus 1 by 2 into y plus c. That means 4 is equals to 0. 2 1s are 2 2s are. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Therefore x square plus y square plus into minus, minus 5 into x 5x plus into minus, minus 1 into y plus 4 is equals to 0. Therefore what is the equation here? X square plus y square minus 5x minus y plus 4 is equals to 0. This is the required equation of the circle. So what is the mark? So by using the 3 points, what is the 3 points? A and B and C. These 3 points substitute the general equation. We find out the line of L1, L2, L3. These 3 lines solving we getting the values of G comma F comma C. These G comma F comma C values substitute in general equation. That the general equation. What is the general equation? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. Then the general equation, substitute the values of g comma f comma c. So that is the required equation of the circle. So this is the required equation of the circle if it passes through the 3 points. We have 1 comma 1 and we have 2 comma minus 1 and c of 3 comma 2. Thank you to everyone, ma'am.